Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Ondo Finance real quick because over the last couple of 4-day price bars, the market has fallen 25%. Yes, it has fallen that far in a very short amount of time. Now I'm here to talk to you about where I think the market in Ondo is about to go next. Now, I've already pre-positioned my idea on this price chart. I'm looking for the market in Ondo Finance to dip, to go lower, and that so far has been the case. But one thing you can see on this 4-day chart is that the price in Ondo Finance is actually consolidating. Price has actually broken out from this downtrend line, and now it is kind of consolidating here. So maybe Ondo may continue to do that, consolidate and trade within the channel. What do you guys think? Now, if you're bullish, that is an expectation that you would like to have happen. If you're bearish, you don't want to see that. So let's try to break this down real quick. Now hit that like button and share and subscribe if you guys want more of my videos and my content, because I'm gonna keep it real here on this particular channel. All right, so now let's break down Ondo on the daily, because if we need to get rid of this price prediction here, then we need to. If we were to get out the market right now in Ondo, you guys can see we're still being profit, right? Around 9% profit right now. Ever since we've had this price prediction on our chart, the market has given us at least an opportunity to bag 30 or 29.5%. Right here on the 4th of September, even on the 6th, 2 opportunities to bag about 30%. Okay, so now before I get rid of this, let's take a look to see if the market is still weak. One thing we're going to get rid of is this downtrend line, because I told you earlier in the video, the market is no longer trending down. It's pretty much found the basis, a support level, and now it's kind of trading within a trading channel. Next thing we're going to change or alter is not this price prediction. We're going to alter this sell zone here. Instead of it keeping it there, the buyers were able to at least move this sell zone up a little bit higher. They was able to take out the sellers at the prior price, and they was able to lift it up here towards, I would say, around 85 to 88 cents. So that's the newest, most freshest place of sellers now. Okay. But you can see, zooming out the chart, we have a lot of sell zones here that the buyers will have to eliminate in order for us to really see a trend occur. Now, you can also add to our chart now this buy zone. Okay. Here is Ondo Finance on the 5. Will you be bullish or bearish right now? Given these 5-day bars right here, would you be bullish? Meaning, would you be looking for the market to go up, or would you be looking for the market to go down? Those 2 5-day bars right there. To me, it looks as if the market is still weak. Not extremely weak, but I would say that the sellers in this currency has a slight edge against the buyers because of these 2 5-day bars. This one and then this one. Here's Ondo Finance on the weekly chart. The last 2 weeks, we've seen sellers hit this particular currency. The last weekly price bar that's printed is a clue, a signal to tell us that buyers think, they're under the presumption that all the selling that has occurred the week before, they see Ondo as a buying opportunity around 75 cents, right? But even on this current weekly price bar, it still tells us that the sellers are still here right now. Now, we still got 5 days, 13 hours left, but given what we have right now, given what's already occurred, this is still signifying to me, hey, these sellers are being very formidable. They're not giving up. They're still in here trying to sell their Ondo in the market. That's why it's going to be important, if you're trying to suspect Ondo is a buy, you don't want to see the market break this trend line. All right. So let me put this here so we can understand, if the market in Ondo breaks this trend line going forward, then we already know who's dominating this price action. because you can only get two people, two entities, two parties that can operate the market, and only one can really move price at any given time. So like in this situation with Ondo, given that we've been in a downtrend ever since June, we know that the parties of sellers are the ones who is moving the price. So as we suspect weakness to continue to hit this market in Ondo, if the buyers are going to take control, they either need to take control here on this trend line, bounce from this trend line, or they need to continually try to bounce it off of these buy zones. That's what they need to do. And let's say as time goes on throughout the month of October, the buyers don't do that. So you won't be caught off guard. You won't be surprised, because we've already expected certain things to occur. And if they don't occur, then we already know who's winning, who's moving the price. That's it. So like, for instance, when you look at Ondo right here, okay, when you look at Ondo Finance right here, that the arrow is pointing down to on this day. Okay. See if I can zoom in closer. Right here. The market ended in Ondo down 5%. This tells me again, hey, these sellers are still here. They are the ones who caused the price to fall right here on September the 29th to go from 89 cents to where we're trading at now at 69 cents in a couple of days. So given that that's the current price action, that tells me a slight edge is to the sellers right now. Now, that means also that I don't need to cut this price prediction out then. The only thing I'm going to add is potential areas that we can see the market bounce, okay? Which is right here off this trend line for one. Then we might need to cut our price prediction here if the market continues to show that they want to hold that trend line. Two, let's say that the buyers don't hold this trend line and they bring it back down to this buy zone around 60 cents. Again, that would be another confirmation that we may need to cut the price prediction and aim for higher prices. But as of right now, the market is not telling us we need to cut our price prediction and look for the market to begin to go up. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. So I'm going to continue to hold this price prediction here. I don't think, though, currently, that Ondo Finance is aiming for a price target all the way down here to like 37 cents. I really don't see that given the recent price action. Okay. So I'll leave it here. You're up next. Give me your prediction. Let me know, what do you think the market in Ondo Finance is about to go? Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.